You are being farmed. You think you are the customer of social media. You think you are the user of Google. You think you are the consumer of free entertainment. You are wrong. If you are not paying for the product, then you are the product. Your attention is the oil of the 21st century. And right now, giant corporations are drilling into your brain to extract it, package it, and sell it to the highest bidder. They have hacked your biology. They have hijacked your dopamine receptors. And they have turned you into a dopamine addict who cannot sit still for 5 minutes without checking a screen. In this video, I am going to expose the Dopamine Cartel. I am going to show you how the algorithm is designed to keep you weak, anxious, and poor. And I am going to tell you how to escape the farm. Let's begin. To understand why you can't focus, you have to understand the supernormal stimulus. In nature, dopamine is hard to get. You have to hunt for food. You have to build shelter. You have to work for a mate. The struggle is the path to the reward. But the modern world has short-circuited this process. Junk food gives you the reward of 1,000 calories without the hunt. Porn gives you the reward of sexual variety without the effort of a relationship. Video games give you the reward of conquering a kingdom without leaving your chair. And TikTok gives you the reward of novelty every 15 seconds without you having to think. This is cheap dopamine. It is a drug, and like any drug, you build a tolerance. This is why you feel bored. This is why normal life feels gray and slow. Reading a book feels impossible because a book doesn't explode with confetti every 10 seconds. Building a business feels too hard because the reward is years away, not seconds away. You have been conditioned to expect instant gratification. And this is not an accident. This is engineering. Silicon Valley engineers are paid millions of dollars to figure out exactly what color a red notification badge makes you click. They study variable rewards, the same psychology used in slot machines, to make sure you keep scrolling. They are not trying to entertain you. They are trying to addict you. Why? Because a distracted man is a weak man. A man who is addicted to cheap dopamine has no drive. He has no ambition. He is docile. He is easy to control. If you are scrolling for 4 hours a day, you are not rebelling. You are obeying. You are a battery powering their system. Think about the cost. The cost is not just your time. The cost is your potential. Every time you give in to the urge to scroll, you are training your brain to be reactive instead of proactive. You are training yourself to be a consumer instead of a creator. The rich get richer because they produce the content that you consume. They own the farm. You are the livestock. So, how do you escape? You have to declare war on cheap dopamine. You need to do a dopamine detox. For the next 7 days, you must cut the supply. Delete the apps that drain you. Eat simple food. Turn your phone to grayscale. It will hurt. You will feel withdrawal. You will feel bored. Good. Embrace the boredom. Boredom is the reset button for your brain. When you are bored, your dopamine receptors start to heal. Suddenly, a walk outside looks beautiful again. Reading a book becomes interesting again. Working on your goals feels rewarding again. You are reclaiming your biology. The system wants you to be a dopamine junkie. It wants you to stay on the couch, mouth open, scrolling until you die. Don't give them the satisfaction. Reclaim your focus. Reclaim your mind. Escape the farm. If you are ready to quit the addiction, comment "escape" down below. And subscribe to master your reality.